What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about GrassHopper. GrassHopper is a virtual phone system tailored for entrepreneurs and small businesses, offering features like a second phone number, call forwarding, and voicemail transcription. With plans starting at $14 a month and 24/7 support, GrassHopper simplifies communication and helps maintain a professional image. Now, let's talk about some of its key features and benefits. GrassHopper's desktop and mobile apps offers users the convenience of managing their business communications from anywhere. With these apps, users can easily handle calls, text, and settings on the go, ensuring they stay connected and responsive to their customers. The seamless integration of these apps into daily operation enhances accessibility and efficiency in managing business communications. GrassHopper's business text messaging feature provides users with a versatile platform for effective communication. By offering features like VoIP, call forwarding, and voicemail transcriptions, GrassHopper enables users to send and receive text on their business number, access voicemail transcriptions via email, and stay connected through mobile and desktop apps. This comprehensive approach to text messaging enhances communication efficiency and flexibility, empowering users to engage with their customers effectively. GrassHopper's call forwarding service is a valuable tool for ensuring seamless call management. This feature allows users to route calls to personal phones or team members, enabling them to answer calls from anywhere. By leveraging call forwarding, users can avoid missed opportunities, maintain professionalism, and ensure that calls are directed efficiently to the right recipients, enhancing customer service and business operations. GrassHopper's virtual receptionist feature offers users automated call handling and personalized greetings. By providing customizable call routing options, the virtual receptionist enhances professionalism by guiding callers to the appropriate department or employee. This feature streamlines call management, improves customer experience, and projects a polished image for the business, ultimately fostering trust and satisfaction among customers. GrassHopper's instant response feature empowers users to provide quick and efficient replies to customer inquiries. By enabling instant responses, users can engage with customers promptly, enhancing satisfaction and building stronger relationships. This feature not only improves customer experience but also boosts efficiency in communication, leading to increased customer loyalty and trust in the business. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of GrassHopper is its requirement for users to have a separate service provider for their personal phone number where GrassHopper calls will be forwarded. This dependency on another service provider may lead to additional costs and complexities in managing multiple phone services. Users who already have a personal number with a different provider may need to maintain two separate phone plans, potentially increasing their overall expenses. Additionally, coordinating between GrassHopper and the personal service provider for features like call forwarding and voicemail can add an extra layer of complexity to the user's communication setup. GrassHopper's limited integration with personal contacts may pose challenges for users who rely heavily on syncing business and personal contacts. The inability to seamlessly merge contacts from phone's native contact list with GrassHopper app could result in inefficiencies and difficulties in managing communication. While GrassHopper offers a mobile and desktop app for enhanced accessibility, some users may find the reliance on the app for full functionality restrictive. Users who prefer not to use the app may face limitations in accessing certain features like texting, voicemail, and settings, potentially impacting their communication efficiency and flexibility. GrassHopper offers a comprehensive virtual phone system tailored for small business and entrepreneurs, providing features like call forwarding, business texting, and virtual receptionist to enhance professionalism and efficiency. While GrassHopper presents a compelling solution for managing business communications, it's essential for users to consider their specific needs and preferences to determine if GrassHopper aligns with their requirements and addresses any potential drawbacks. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.